Zoey. Oh, there's something on the buttons. There we go. Good morning, everybody. So I need to go out and edit still, and then I think today is going to be a catch up on YouTube day. Again, I'm somehow behind, I don't know how, so that is what we're going to do today. I'm going to go out and edit, catch up on some vlogs, probably color, I don't know what else. We will see where our day goes, but hopefully you're having a great one, and I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, everybody, so I'm staying up with Adam tonight. I mean, I stay up with Adam every night, and just to give myself a little bit of more energy, I'm gonna take a nap. You could probably go back and count how many times in the vlogs I say I'm gonna go take a nap, but with his weird schedule and staying up till like 1:30, it's kind of a necessary thing if you want to be able to stay up that late to take a nap during the day. So I'm going to take a nap, and then I don't know what I'm going to do. We'll see when I wake up. What are you doing? Did you knock this over? You smell it? Where'd you go? Where'd you go, Zoey? There you are. What are you doing? What are you doing, you weirdo? What are you doing? Okay, so mom status engaged. I'm in my apron, and we are making dinner. We are making hamburgers, hot dogs. We got baked potatoes going. We have some hot dogs already done. We've got some hamburgers done. We have all the stuff that you need. More hamburgers. And yeah, making baked potatoes. Oh, and I need to get the bacon too. So that's why we were doing the baked potatoes. And it's like 5:30. Zoey is up here freaking the crap out. Baked potatoes are done. She's up there freaking out. And the sun is setting. It looks pretty out. I feel like a stay-at-home mom. make sure dinner's ready when the honeys get home. When I mean that, I mean my parents. They will have dinner. Yay! I just want to show off these mammoth hamburgers. Like, it's huge. And I just want to say I hate making hamburgers and hot dogs because I basically hate cooking hamburgers because the grease gets everywhere. The stove is gross, the floor. I'm gonna have to clean after I make dinner. Alright, everybody, it is time to go to bed. Tonight was a good night. We watched the Alabama Clemson national championship game and Alabama won. And there are two reasons why I'm happy that Alabama won. Number one, a few years ago in like an championship, I don't know much about college football, just FYI. Alabama beat UF, University of Florida, the Gators, and Sam went there, and it's funny, I kind of rib her and be like, oh, freaking Gators, do not talk about them. So whenever Alabama plays them, or ever since that one game, whenever Alabama beat the Gators, I was like, okay, I will support Alabama whenever they play. So that's the one reason. And two is my dad and brother do not like the head coach for Alabama, Nick Saban, because he used to be the Miami Dolphins head coach, and he left on bad terms or whatever. So it's funny to like root for Alabama when my dad and brother are like, no. So it was a funny night. But yeah, that is it for the vlog today. I'm going to get to bed, and I will talk to you all lovelies in the morning. Hopefully you had a great morning, evening, noon, night. Whenever you're watching this, hopefully you have a lovely, beautiful smile on your face, and I will see you all lovelies in the morning. Good night. We got the Zoey. Wow.